Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to switch back to professional account on Instagram. So the step are so simple to follow. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. First of all, after you open your Instagram, all you have to do, tap on this profile at the bottom right side. Under this profile, tap on this menu at the top right side, this menu. Scroll all the way to down and tap on this section where it says account type, this one. So now tap on this switch to professional account. So now tap on this continue again, continue. So now in this section now, choose something that describe you. Just choose blogger. So for me, I'll just go with blogger and tap on this done button. So it will take you to this option now. Choose a business or creator. So for me, I'll just go with creator. So tap on this next again. So tap on this, as you can see now, it says share login using account center. Tap on this not now or continue. I'll just tap on this not now. So tap on this cancel button. So as you can see now if you refresh your Facebook page like this, so as you can see now you have professional dashboard on your Facebook account. That's it guys. So hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.